G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Just had a great workout. It's Thursday. Today we're going to talk about a quote that Ed Seykota had, and that is that every trader gets what they want from the markets. The market is a mirror of you. So good, the bad, and the ugly. And it will reveal all the things that you have yet to identify about yourself in terms of your emotions, greed, frustrations, fear, pain, impatience, anger, revenge, and the list goes on. The market is there teaching you. So if you are doing very well and growing your account and making serious money, 6-7 figures, traders can be lured into a sense of falsehood, a overconfidence, over trading, over leveraging, trading outside of their plans, taking random impulsive trades because they believe that they're bigger than the market. The other hand is that traders can get frustrated, go on tilt, and even if you're a large trader, you can go on tilt, but they will be unprepared. Planning to prepare and failing to prepare is preparing to fail, whether it's on one instrument, whether it's on a basket of instruments, and taking random, impulsive, emotional, irrational trades, over trading, over leveraging, get even trades, get back to the high watermark trades, doubling up, doubling down on a losing trade instead of doubling down on a winning trade. But as I repeat Ed Seykota's quote, every trader gets what they want from the markets. And over time, 20 plus years of trading the markets, I have had everything revealed to me that I never thought was even cognitively conceivable. I never thought I would do a tenth of the things that I've done that were self-sabotaging, damaging, repetitive. Even this week, as I mentioned to some traders or to the group, to everybody who follows me, stand back and observe, just trade Wednesday and Friday. Look for the parabolic 3-day setups. And I said there's going to be traders again that will not make it till Wednesday, and there'll be traders that don't make it till Friday. And that in itself is again showing things to individuals, whether they have the patience, whether they are able to identify 90-10 setup or an opportunity, whether it's just for continuation trades, whether it's for a day 3 parabolic, a session scalp, whatever that may be, but a 90-10 opportunity. So if traders message me and say, I don't understand what a 90-10 opportunity is, and they're trading a live account, first of all, stop trading a live account. If you don't know what you're doing or what you're looking for, you shouldn't be trading a live account. So that's revealing something to you. If you're trading with real money and you actually are going to the market taking trades and you don't know exactly what you're looking for, that's called gambling. That's hoping to catch a move and hoping to make some money. That's a hope trade, as opposed to somebody who's going there with a sharpened weapon, ready to take a position when their edge presents. And when their edge presents. And if it's starting to behave as it should, is it sizable? Is it a session scalp? Is it an all-in 3-session, 3-day parabolic for adding size into? Traders have asked, when do you add size? Always with a starter, scaling in. But the scaling in, so if you think about it, if you're getting in on a 1-minute chart, other traders are trading on 5-minute charts. One trader said today, I only trade off the 1-hour charts, it's more calm for me. I'm trading off of 1-hour and daily charts, daily levels. Other time frame traders, understand what that means. Understand what other time frame traders means. When we are already moving 3-4 days into a week, these 1-minute entries are being driven by 4-hour, daily, hourly. Everybody's in the market. When it moves and it's on a range expansion, or if it consolidates at the underneath the high or on top of the low, so for example today, low-hanging fruit, consolidation, 3-session consolidation inside of the previous day's high heading into the New York Open for a parabolic explosive 25 plus 50, 40 to 50 on Euro Oz, Canadian dollar, I believe. I think Japanese yen continued. I haven't looked at it. So step back, remember Wednesday, Friday. If we have day 3 longs in the market, there's traders trying to counter trend a market that's still on the front side. We might get a reversal in London tomorrow and a parabolic move in the US session. Might only be for 50 pips, but it might be easy money that's sitting over in the corner. I'm gonna keep saying what Jim Rogers says. Just wait for it to go, be sitting over in the corner on the floor, and all you have to do is walk over and pick it up. We're not trying to guess. So I'm gonna repeat this. I'm gonna keep repeating this in every video. Just because something's at the high of the day or the low of the day doesn't mean that we sell it or we buy it. Step back. You're in a day 3 parabolic breakout. Range expansion. Why do you want to counter trend something because it's a day 3 breakout? Think about what this means. Day 3 longs are in the market today on some of these pairs. Maybe that could be a Friday day 3 reversal trade if indeed that setup presents. We don't just short something because it's up high. If you're doing that, the market's teaching you something. It's revealing things to you about yourself that you need to learn. It's a mirror. It's a mirror for everything. It's a mirror for your emotional state, your professional status in terms of preparation and technical skills, your ability to execute in live time, your confidence. So if you're having trouble executing in live time, size right down to next to nothing. Trade a micro lot. Have some skin in the game that's a measuring tool for you to actually gauge your performance. Treat it like it's size. Treat it like it's size. Because if you can't do it with a micro lot and really execute flawlessly, place the position in. Maybe you're going to add into it because it's a 3-day setup or a measured move, a range expansion, opportunity. Put your stop in, put your targets in, manage the trade, lock in your profits, and get off the screen. If you can do it with a if you can't do it with a micro lot, you can't do it with anything else. You cannot do it with anything else. Okay? Every trader gets what they want from the markets. Think about what that means. Took me a long time to really process that. I had to learn a lot of things about myself, about my behavior, my routine, my self-talk, my emotional state while I'm at the screen, all of these things. So when traders get frustrated or they, blow up an account or they take irrational impulsive trades, these are all the things that the market is there teaching you. But if you're not learning from them and you're going back every week doing the same thing, that's the definition for insanity. Think about that. If you aren't learning something about your behavior, your consistency or lack of consistency, or your consistency in terms of what you are doing, if you aren't learning, you're getting everything that you want from the market. So on the positive note, just to reiterate this, traders keep asking, first bounce, first bounce. If it's a trend trade, it doesn't need to bounce. It's a trend. Okay, getting in. We just can't get in because there's major red news. It could go vertical, could spike, could do anything. But after the news is released, we're trading with the trend. That's all it is. If there's an opportunity there. Okay, and it confirms with our universal entry, 1 minute, 5 minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Okay, think about it. Trend trade. It doesn't need to have a bounce. I'm getting in. I just can't get in before the news. Think. Okay, I keep repeating these things over and over again. Repetition. Because once it breaks out, it's a breakout trade now. And traders are closed at the 5-minute chart. And they're going, oh, it's too big a stop. It's a momentum news catalyst opportunity. It's going on a range expansion. So think about that. So get out, enjoy your day. Think. 1% better every single day. And may the markets go with you, traders.